Living in Qatar and want to streamline your metro travel? Adding your Qatar Metro Card, Carwa Smart Card to Apple Wallet would be incredibly convenient. In this guide, I'll clarify how to generally add transit cards like Qatar Metro to Apple Wallet. As of mid-2025, directly adding your physical Qatar Metro Carwa Smart Card to Apple Wallet for direct tap-to-pay functionality might not be fully supported. While Apple Wallet integrates with many global transit systems, this specific feature relies on the local transit authority's implementation. Currently, the primary way to manage your Carwa Smart Card is through the Carwa Journey Planner app provided by Qatar Rail. This app allows you to check your balance and top up your card. To use your iPhone for transit payments in Qatar, you would typically still rely on tapping your physical Carwa Smart Card at the reader. While you can add credit and debit cards to Apple Wallet for general purchases, the ability to directly add and use the Carwa Smart Card as a digital transit pass within Apple Wallet is dependent on a direct integration by Qatar Rail with Apple. Finally, always check the latest updates from Qatar Rail and Apple support for the most current information regarding transit card compatibility with Apple Wallet in Qatar. Technology evolves, and new integrations may become available. And there you have it. Adding your Qatar Metro Card to Apple Wallet has specific current limitations. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.